Rough Offset. Rough Offset is a new feature in ZW3D 2020. It can generate a set of surfaces which approximate the initial ones. Click the Rough Offset command, select the surfaces. Set the offset distance to 20 mm. As for the direction, you can keep it blank. The rough offset surface will be created in the normal direction of the surfaces. Now, let's try to modify other parameters. Set a larger step over distance. Then you will get a fuzzier surface. Check the Smooth Surface option. Then you will get a smoother surface. Put the surfaces together and see the difference after rough offset. It can help you to do the casting design more efficiently.